In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a VVT solenoid in a 2.4 liter Jeep Patriot located in the back side of the head right next to the exhaust manifold. Remove the engine cover, and by doing that, you're just going to grab it firmly and pull up. There's like little plastic boots or rubber boots holding on these little pins right here. There's 4 of them total. Set it aside. So now we're in the back of the engine, right by the manifold. Follow that valve cover down right on the side of the block of the head, the back of the head here. You'll see the exhaust VVT solenoid. So the connector right here, we'll push down on that tab and then pull that connector off. Just like that. Pull the harness aside. Right below it is the mounting screw or bolt, and it's a 10mm socket. Yeah, broke free. Let's get that out of the way. And now I'm going to try to grab that sensor and spin it. And twist it and pull at the same time. If you want to use the ear of that tab, get a pry bar in there while you're twisting. Let's get that AC line. Give it a little pull on it. And there it is. So now we have our new VVT solenoid. And I put a little oil on that O-ring just to get it ready. Let's find the opening. There it is. Push and twist. And nice, it snapped right down in there. There we go. Start it by hand. A 10mm socket. We'll snug it up, then we'll torque it to specs. Let's get our torque wrench. 10mm socket. Let's get it on there, and then we set this to 9 foot-pounds or 108 inch-pounds. Perfect. Let's grab our connector. Give it a once look over. It looks good. Line it up. There we go. Until it clicks. Now you can put your engine cover back on. Line those little pins up in the back with those rubber boots. And then you'll line up the oil filler, and the dipstick. Just push down. You heard it pop down, and you're all set. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.